Swagbucks balance issues usually happen when points have not updated yet, an activity has not fully tracked, or the account information shown in the app has not refreshed correctly. By the end, you'll know why Swagbucks can show the wrong points balance, how to refresh your account, and what information to provide if your points still do not appear correctly. Section 1 is checking whether your points have updated. Swagbucks tracks points from different activities, and some completed actions may not appear instantly in your balance. Start by opening Swagbucks and checking that you are signed into the correct account. Using a different email address or account can make your points appear missing. Next, refresh the app or website. Close the Swagbucks app completely and reopen it. Or refresh the browser page if you are using the website. Restart your phone or computer if the balance still looks incorrect. A restart can clear temporary issues that stop account information from loading properly. Section 2 is checking completed activities and tracking. A wrong balance can happen when an activity has not been credited correctly. Review your recent Swagbucks activity history and compare it with the tasks you completed. Check whether the offer, survey, purchase, or activity shows as completed. If the activity is still pending, the points may not have been added to your available balance yet. Keep any confirmation emails, screenshots, or offered details connected to the activity. These details can help if you need to contact Swagbucks support. Also confirm that you completed the activity through the correct Swagbucks link or offer page. Tracking problems can happen when an activity is started outside the required process. Section 3 is fixing points that are still missing. If you refreshed your account, checked your activity history, and your points balance is still incorrect, contact Swagbucks support. Why? Provide specific details instead of only saying your points are missing. Include the activity name, the date you completed it, your account information, and any screenshots that show the issue. Support can use those details to check whether the problem is related to tracking, pending points, or account information. The key points are simple. Confirm you are using the correct account, check your activity history, and save proof of completed offers. Your next step is to refresh Swagbucks, review your recent activities, and collect details before contacting support. If this guide helped you fix a Swagbucks points balance issue, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app troubleshooting guides.